So good na so let's take our breakfast. Medyo late na ta nakamata today because loaded man atong schedule no from previous days, Tuesday to Friday, okay? And then ato ipakita ang atong ni-prepared no today. Okay? So of course no ang atong vegetable na to, okay? So mix ni siya with beans, squash, leaves and others. Of course na soup no kay favorite na to no. And of course no ang atong naatay ka ng burger patty. So medyo heavy ta karon no because mo lagi loaded man ta sa sked na to previously. And then rice, okay? And then naata diri usas mga favorite nato no adobo nga kanang chicken liver, okay? And then naata kato remaining nato nga fish no kagabi. So of course no dili mawala ang atong shake nato. So gi-prepare nato nino with banana and apple, of course atong giblahan nino. Okay, siya oatmeal. And then of course no because ganahan alert ang atong mind because of course daghan ta kay activity and then upcoming activities pag no. So naatay Kokoshino atong chocolate drink nato, okay? Para sa atong brain nato no for vitamins, okay? And then let's eat our breakfast no and then enjoy. Okay, so sa akong giingon medyo late na ta nakamata today, so mga unta ninyo tanan no, happy Saturday, happy weekend, okay? Enjoy the rest of the day, okay? So mamahaw ta ninyo, okay? Bye bye, God bless everyone.